When every second counts, trust Ocean Signal's RescueME MOB2. Compact and easy to use, it automatically alerts your vessel and others nearby if you fall overboard. Here's how to install the MOB2 on your inflatable life jacket. Slide the red arming tab down, then slide the grey activation slide sideways to activate the MOB2. To deactivate the MOB2, press and hold the test button until the red LED flashes twice, then release. To prevent accidental loss, tie a strong knot at one end of the attachment lanyard. We highly recommend a figure of 8 knot as shown throughout the video. Tether the cord through the antenna winder, the MOB2 device, the protective armed cover, and the grey activation slider. Secure the grey activation slider by adding a secure knot approximately 30 centimeters or 12 inches from one end of the cord. Attaching these parts will prevent them falling into the water upon activation and ensure that they are available for reuse. Select a secure point on the life jacket that the cord cannot detach or untie from if the MOB2 is accidentally removed from its bracket. Pass the activation tape down through the inner slot in the grey activation slider. Pull the activation tape through the slider to leave approximately 2 centimeters or 1 inch free at the end. Pass the other end of the activation tape across the underside of the activation slider and pull tight to trap the tape to the slider. Place the end of the antenna into the recess. Use the antenna winder as shown and turn counterclockwise until the antenna is flush with the MOB2 body. Once retracted, hold the tool to keep the antenna coiled. Do not remove tool until slider is in place. After arming the MOB2, fit the protective armed cover into the slots immediately adjacent to the arming slider. Make sure that both sides of the cover are clipped in place. Place the oral tube bracket as low down as possible on the oral tube and have it aim away from the user. Rest the MOB2 on the bracket, fully locking the MOB2 into it. Wrap the activation tape around the bladder of the life jacket by passing the free end of the tape under it. Take care not to twist the tape. Feed the tape up through the innermost slot on the side of the oral tube bracket. Loop the emerging tape over the attachment point and feed back up through the outermost slot. Feed the tape back down through the innermost slot so that it emerges at the same point where it originally entered. Pull the free end of the tape so that the bladder is able to inflate and remains folded in accordance with the life jacket manufacturer's instructions. Do not over-tighten the tape. Test for tightness by ensuring you can freely insert a finger between the tape and the bladder. Now that the MOB2 is installed, make sure to tether, with a secure tight knot, the remaining of the attachment lanyard to a fixed point inside the life jacket where it will not interfere with the life jacket inflation process. Stay safe, stay found, and choose the RescueME MOB2. To learn more, please visit oceansignal.com.